Definitely. The sooner we get to the waterhole, the sooner we can leave.
So where are we really going? An elephant graveyard. Wow! Shh! Sasu. Right. So how are we gonna... Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning Min, good morning Kaupun, good morning Kaupan, good morning Pink, good morning Earth. While waiting for the others, let's listen to some Disney songs first. Songs. So let's begin our class for today. Good morning to everyone, especially for those who just entered that I haven't greeted yet. Good morning everybody. Today we're going to study how to use electricity well. Alright, so please open your book.
Science book.
Page.
Teacher Len, science.
Yeah, science.
Okay, fine.
Science 3. Page 100. Wait a minute, I'm going to check if it's correct.
Teacher Fish.
Page. I think page 178. 178.
178.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so let's begin.
Hey, ba? Teacher Len, did
178.
178.
Yes. Yes. Ready?
178.
Yes.
178.
Yes.
Yes.
Ready? Everybody ready?
Ready.
Alright, so we're going to talk about how to use electricity
Using electricity.
well. Okay, electricity is made using renewable and non-renewable energy sources. The
Teacher.
non-renewable energy sources, 178, can be used up.
178.
Yes, the non-renewable energy sources like the coal, okay, the fossil fuels, I think, okay, those are the non-renewable energy sources. They can be used up. So we should learn how to use them well and how to conserve them. Alright, so what are we going to do to use the electricity properly? First thing, turn only the light bulbs that you need. When you are at home or at school, when you are in a room, turn on that light. But if you're not in that room or if you are going to leave that room, you have to turn off the light. Turn on only the light bulbs that you need. Next, choose light bulbs that save energy. Example given, fluorescent bulbs and LED bulbs. Those kinds of bulbs are consuming less energy. Okay, you may tell your mom and dad that mom or dad, page 178. Mom or dad, if you're going to buy new light bulbs, please buy LED bulbs or fluorescent bulbs because they consume less energy. Okay, and next, always turn off light bulbs when not in use. If you're not going to use light, if you're not going to need light, okay, please turn off those lights at your home. Okay, and next part for the television. For the television, turn them on only when you want to watch them. Okay, when you are watching television, watch television. If you're going to use your phone or tablet, use your phone or tablet. But don't turn on the television if you're not going to watch them, okay? Because that way you're going to consume electricity. And other sources of electricity are non-renewable. Alright? Next is always turn off and unplug them when not in use. Okay, so you're not just going to turn them off when you're not using them, but you should also unplug them. Okay? Next one is the air condition. For the air condition, choose the ones with the number 5 energy efficiency. Choose the aircon. Okay, if you're going to buy air conditioner or air conditioning unit, please tell your parents to buy or to choose the aircon unit with number 5 energy efficiency. That way you may save electricity. And then choose the ones that fit your room size. If your room is big, okay, you have to buy air condition that has the capacity to cool down that room size. But if your room is small, only buy air conditioning unit that has smaller capacity, okay? Smaller or lower cooling capacity. And next is set the temperature well. Okay, usually in our classroom, we use the temperature 25 because that fits us. Okay, but if you're only for example, at your home, you are only 3 that are going to use the air conditioning unit. Okay, you may use the higher temperature. Okay, set the temperature well. Next, always turn them off when not in use. When nobody's in that room, always turn off the air condition. And next, for the refrigerator, choose the ones with number 5 energy efficiency. That will also help you save the electricity use. Do not put them near heat sources. Okay, do not put them near the gas stove. Okay, or what other places? If the sunlight is directly hitting that room, don't put it there. Okay, they should be about 15 centimeters away from the wall for heat to flow well. Okay, you should put them 15 centimeters away from the wall. Next, if the rubber around the fridge door breaks, get it fixed at once. Because if the rubber breaks, that means that the cool temperature will go out of the refrigerator. And that means that it will consume more electrical energy or electricity. Okay, next part, how do we use electricity safely? How do we use electricity safely? Okay, always check electrical cables and appliances to make sure they are in good condition. If they are broken, change them or get them fixed. Okay? Tell your parents to always check electrical cables if they are good. And if they are broken, tell them to call somebody who can get them fixed. Okay? Like the electricians. Next, hold the insulator part of plugs when plugging them in. Okay. Hold the insulator part. Okay. Insulator. Okay. I am using my charger so I cannot show it to you. But you should hold this part. The insulator part. Okay. Don't hold the wire. The wire part when plugging in because that is not safe. You may break that. Alright, and if you break that, you will have open wire or live wire. And that is not safe for you. Next, do not put your fingers or any metal in sockets. You can get an electricity or electric shock. Don't put your finger into the metal sockets because you may have electric shock. And don't hold metals like fork and put it there. That's very dangerous. Okay, and don't hold the metal part of something that you have to plug. Okay? You have to be careful. Next, do not use electrical appliances or plugs when your body is wet. When you are taking a shower, for example, and you suddenly needed to use electricity, don't touch them with your hands that are wet, okay? Or your body is wet. Don't use electrical appliances. Next, do not leave electrical appliances plugged in. After using them, turn them off and unplug cables because they might cause a fire. Always unplug appliances that are not in use because they may cause fire. Okay? Okay, next. Use electrical appliances that have the earth wire. Example, the refrigerators, water heaters, washing machine. This reduces the risk of electric leaks. Okay, if you're going to buy electrical appliances, make sure or choose those who have earth wire. All right? Okay, so now I want you to open your book to page, wait a minute, page, looking for it.
Teacher Land page.
Page 175. 175. Ready? Okay, you're going to decide if it is good use, if it is a good use of electricity. A, no it's not. Plugging in too many devices at the same time can cause short circuit and fire. Or B, yes it is. Curtains block direct sunlight from entering the house, making it less hot, so a fan or air conditioner will not be used. So what do you think is the correct answer? Is it A or B? Yes, it is, or no, it's not. Is it a good use of electricity?
Hey.
Good or not?
Hey. Teacher Land. Teacher Land.
175. 175.
Teacher Land letter.
What's the answer? Yes or no? Is it safe, good, or bad?
Bad.
A, bad. B, good.
Good. Good.
Do you think it's good if there's a lot of plugs?
B. Bad.
That is bad. Letter A. It's not good.
Teacher page.
175. Plugging in too many devices at the same time can cause short circuit and fire. Finish, everybody? Not yet.
No, finish. Teacher page.
Page 175.
ข้อหนึ่งตอบอะไรอ่ะ Teacher letter A or letter B
Is it good? A, no. B, yes.
Okay.
A bad, B good. A bad, B good. Alright, when you're finished, press the raise hand button, okay? Pun and Pan are finished.
Yes. Finish.
Is everybody finished? Everybody? Alright, if you are finished, let's go to the next part. Number 2, is it a good use of electricity? A, no it's not. B, yes it is.
B.
Please write your answer.
Teacher Land number 2 is
Number 2, is it good? A, no. B, yes.
Yes. Teacher letter B
Just write your answer on your book.
ตัว B ใช่ไหม Teacher ใช่ B C U R เหมือนกัน floor teacher write for in G E R N D the home
Again.
คุณปั้นถูกไหมด้วยนะ
Excuse me. So they have to write the answer in their book, right?
Yes.
Right? No and yes together. Both.
No, only one.
Or yes.
letter B in
So they have to choose the answer, right?
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Number 1 letter A, number 2 letter B.
finish
finish
No
Everybody
finish, teacher.
finish?
No finish,
let's wait.
teacher.
Okay. Let's wait for the others.
Finish, teacher.
teacher
Okay, let's wait for the others. Okay, so in number one is the electric plugging too many electric devices at the same time. That is dangerous. Okay, that is bad. Next one is the curtain. Is it good or bad use of electricity? That is good because it blocks.
เหม็นขาวๆครับ
Same page. Page 175. Number 2, yes, it is. The curtain is good for electricity because it blocks direct sunlight from entering the house.
I drink water may I drink water please
Okay, sure.
40อันนี้ดูเวลานะโอ้ยปิดไฟด้วยให้ด้วย
Okay, and with that, with the curtain, it will help to make the room less hot. Okay? So a fan or air conditioner will not be used. So the curtain is good and plugging too many electric appliances is bad. Alright, so for your... wait a minute.
ทีเชอร์ออกไปแล้วน้ำหนักเราส่วนสูง122แต่ทิ้งกันอย่างนี้เลยเหรอทีเชอร์
อาจจะหลุดก็ได้
122เซนคุณต้นไม่ได้อยู่ในรายชื่อเลย
ไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวทีเชอร์ก็เข้ามาแล้ว
แล้วฝั่งนี้ดูอันนี้ไปพลางละกัน เห็นมันสวยดีก็เลยชอบ เห็นมันสวยดีก็เลยดูบ้างพี่ซิน
อะไรตกกระจายหมดเลย
ที่เชอร์กำลังบันทึกอยู่นี้ที่เชอร์ออกไปเลยไม่ได้บันทึกหรอกเนี่ยที่เชอร์ไป
ทีเชอร์ทีเชอร์หลุด
กี่นาทีคะพี่ซิน
อะไร
เล่นกับโทรศัพท์มันก็ดีอย่างนะคืออะไรรู้ไหมพี่ซิน ไม่ใช่เราสามารถนำเสนอโดยที่ไม่ต้องกดนำเสนอเลยก็ได้นะใช่เพียงแล้วก็หันไปที่หน้าจอแค่นั้นไม่เชื่อใช่ไหมหรือเราทำให้ดูแล้วก็เปิดไป
ก็จะได้ดังนะครับซึ่งในการจัดอันดับ
ใช่อย่างนั้นมันก็ได้แหละ
เห็นไหมฉลาดเสร็จยังครับ
อ่านข้อความที่เชอร์ก่อนที่เชอร์ส่งมาในไลน์มินิ
กูอ่านภาษาอังกฤษไม่ออกอ่ะเดี๋ยวเราใช้อีตัวแปลภาษาช่วยแล้วกันนะฮะ
ช่วยด้วยป้าช่วยแปลภาษาให้ด้วยนะปั้น
ได้เดี๋ยวแปลให้โอเค
ทีเชอร์บันทึกอยู่นะ
ใช่ที่เชอร์บันทึกอยู่
เรามาคุยกันแบบนี้มันจะดีเหรอ
จะเกิดอะไรเปล่าที่จะส่งลิงก์ใหม่ปะที่เชอร์น่าจะหลุดนี่แหละ
แล้วดิเชอร์ก็เดี๋ยวนี่เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงนะเดี๋ยวเราแปลให้นี้เดี๋ยว เดี๋ยว
พวกเธอเข้าไปดูในมินิ
อ้าวลูกๆครับ
เดี๋ยว
ส่งทีเชอร์ส่งข้อความมาบอกว่านักเรียนออกจากห้องได้เลยลูก แล้วก็การบ้านเนี่ยหน้า175นะคะ เสร็จแล้วก็ส่งเลยนะลูก
ค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ไม่ใช่เราใช้ตัวแปลภาษาช่วยแล้วเนี่ย เห็นไหมเขาเขียนว่าสวัสดี